Today we're going to learn how to find the composition of functions, meaning how to compute f of g of x. Sometimes you'll see this written as f of g of x or f composed with g. People also jokingly call it fog x, but don't worry, this video is not about weather. We're doing math. Suppose we are given two functions. F of x equals 3x minus 2 and g of x equals x squared plus 4. And the question is, find f of g of x. Composition simply means plug one function into the other. So f of g of x means we plug g of x into f. Since g of x equals x squared plus 4, we substitute that into f. So we get f of g of x equals 3 times x squared plus 4 minus 2. Now simplify. First distribute the 3. 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times 4 is 12. So we have 3x squared plus 12 minus 2. Combine like terms, 12 minus 2 is 10. So the final result is 3x squared plus 10. Now let's try something interesting. What happens if we reverse the order? Try finding g of f of x. Pause the video and see if you can do it. But be careful. F of g of x is not equal to g of f of x. Generally speaking. Composition depends on the order. Alright, let's check it. Since f of x equals 3x minus 2, we substitute that into g. So we get g of f of x equals 3x minus 2 all squared plus 4. Now expand the square. 3x minus 2 squared becomes 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. Then we add the 4. So the result is 9x squared minus 12x plus 8. Notice these answers are different. F of g of x gave us 3x squared plus 10, but g of f of x gave us 9x squared minus 12x plus 8. That's why order matters in composition of functions. If you got the bonus challenge, let me know in the comments. And if this helped you understand composition, give the video a like.